Hello dear students, welcome back to Grammar Enhancer. In today's video we are going to dive into the world of most awaited topic, one word substitution. So let's get started. Set free by, acquit, dos mukt karna. A person who is out to destroy all government law and order, called anarchist, arajak. Third one is yearly return of the date of an event, anniversary, varsiki. The letter which does not bear the name of the writer, anonymous, gumnam, a crowd of listeners, audience, srota, one who does not believe in the existence of God, atheist, nastic, capable of being heard, audible, shravya. A story of a person written by himself, autobiography, atmakatha, ruler who has absolute authority, autocrat, nirankush, absence of governance, anarchy, arajakta, a person who is fond of fishing, angler, machera, a person who remains unmarried or the state of being unmarried, bachelor, kuara, a person who is unable to pay debts, bankrupt, diwaliya, one who loves books, bibliophile, pustak premi, the life history of a man written by someone else, biography, Jeevan Katha, speaking two languages, bilingual, dvibhashik, the scientific study of plants and their structure, Vanaspati Vigyan, botany, a person who studied plants, botanist, Vanaspati Vigyani, list of books, catalog, Suchi Patra, an animal living on flesh of other animals is called carnivorous, Mansahari. A disease which spreads over a wide area called communicable संक्रामक रोग or a disease which spreads by contact is also called communicable. Persons living at the same time, contemporary, tatkalin. A person who has done something wrong, convict, apradhi. That which can be believed, credible, vishwasaniya. A person who is very simple and easily believes whatever is told, credulous, twarit vishwasi. All illness in which waste matter is emptied from the bowels much more frequently than normal and in liquid form is called diarrhea, atisar. A government of the people, by the people and for the people is called democracy, prajatantra. In other words, a system of government in which all the voters of country can vote to elect their government is called democracy. Want of rain, drought, sukha. A type of work or way of life that you believe is especially suitable for you is called ethics, Niti Shastra. Words written on the tombstone after one's death is called epitaph, Abhilekh. A person who talks too much about himself is called egotist, Swaprasansi. A speech delivered without preparation is called extempore, tatkalik. That which is fit to be eaten, edible, khadya. Liable to error, chuk. Which ends in death, fatal, ghatak. That which can be easily broken into many pieces is called fragile, bhangur. One who believes in fate, fatalist, bhagyavadi. The murder of one's brother, fratricide, bhratrahanta. A man who is devoted to the welfare of women, feminist, narivadi. A medicine that kills germs, germicides. Excessive eater is called gluten, petu. In other words, one who eats too much is also called gluten. A person who studied or writes about history is called historian, itihaskar. In other words, a post for which no salary is paid. Animals which lives on herbs are called herbivores. Anything which is contrary to law is called illegal, गैर कानूनी. Not liable to error or mistake is called infallible, अचूक. which cannot be corrected, incorrigible, ashudharya, which is difficult to believe, is called incredible, avishwasaniy. In other words, that which can't be believed. A person who can neither read nor write is called illiterate, unpad, which cannot be read, illegible, apataniya. A piece of land surrounded by water is called island, dweep, which can't be conquered, invincible, अविजित, जिसे कोई हरा ना सकता हो. In other words, incapable of being defeated, which can't be divided, indivisible, akhandaniya. In other words, incapable of being divided, which can't be seen, invisible, adrashya. Murder of an infant, infanticide, balvad. Difficult to hear, inaudible, ashravya. One who knows many languages is called linguist, bhashavid. In other words, a person who is proficient in many languages is also called linguist, bhashavid. Ellipse of moon, lunar ellipse, Chandragrahan. A place where experiments are carried out, laboratory, prayogshala. A speech made for the first time, or the first speech delivered by a person is called maiden speech, pratham bhashad. A document written by hand, manuscript, pandulip. Leaving one's country is called migrate, pravarjan. A man who eats meat is called non-vegetarian, mansahari. A person widely known for evil deeds, notorious, kukhyat. That which cannot be seen through, opaque, apardarshi. A garden where fruits are found or grown is called orchard, फलों का बगीचा. One who looks at the bright side of things is called optimist. One who is powerful is called omnipotent, Sarvashaktiman. One who is present everywhere at the same time is called omnipresent, Sarvvyapi. One who knows everything, omniscient, Sarvagya. A child whose parents are dead is called orphan, Anath. No longer in use, obsolete, aprachalit. One who goes on foot, pedestrian, padayatri. One who looks at the dark side of things. In other words, a person who looks the dark side of things is called pessimist, nirashavadi. One who is lover of mankind is called philanthropist, janhitashi. Remedy for all diseases or something that will solve all the problems of a particular situation. In other words, a remedy of all kinds of diseases is called panacea, Rambad. Born after the death of its father is called posthumous, Maranoparant. One who has great loves for one's own country is called patriot, Deshbhakt. The murder of a king is called regicide, Nrapahanta. A person who takes arms against the governments of his own country is called rebel, Vidrohi. Fit to be chosen, suitable, yogi. Murder of oneself is called suicide, atmahatya. An aged unmarried woman is called spinster, kumari. Ellipse of the sun is called solar ellipse, Suryagrahan. A person who exports or imports goods without paying custom duty and other taxes is called smuggler, taskar. One who totally abstains from liquor is called teetotaler, madhya nishedhi. A person who believes in God or one who believes in the existence of God is called theist, astic. That which can be seen through is called transparent, pardarshi. A student who runs away from his class without permission is called truant, गैर हाजिर रहने वाला. The right to refuse, especially the right to stop a law from being passed or a decision from being taken, is called veto. Nishedhadhikar. A person with long experience is called veteran, Anubhavi. One who does not eat meat is called vegetarian. A man whose wife is dead called widower, vidhur. That which cannot be tamed is called wild, jungly. Items of business to be considered at a meeting is called agenda, mudde, of one mind or opinion is called unanimous. The life history of a man written by himself is called autobiography, Atmakatha. Belonging to the same time, contemporary, Samkaleen, a place where bodies are kept is called mortuary, Saugrah. The science of flying aeroplanes is called aviation, Vimanan. This is contrary to law, unlawful, illegal, ghair-kanuni. The country ruled by a king is called monarchy, Rajtantra. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more. See you in next video.